The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall.
I love you.
Zombie.
Where I live,
Mm-hmm.
I will give you.
Mm-hmm.
But when you come look for me and you treat me good,
Mm-hmm.
I will give you. That means to say you won't lose.
Mm-mm.
That's your affair.
You say you love me.
Yes, Miss protect you.
Mm-mm.
Sincere to God.
You want married to me?
Would I mind to you? And don't know that people.
So where you live?
In Georgia, so I'm gonna finger post and take a taxi and go. I mean, go.
You say you like fat girl? Aye? You like fat girl?
I don't want people to hear what I'm saying.
No. Alright. The people then gone.
You see, I shut my mouth. I don't say, I'm not publishing nothing
Yeah.
to people.
But you sound like a whole English. A England you come from?
No, in Jamaica, born and grew.
Okay.
Mother and father gone.
So when you live around now?
Right now, I live in my house 1 year. I'm alone.
You want one nice young Philip who can take care of you.
And take care of you. And will I have give you? That means no man take you out of that.
Oh my, you're flattering my heart.
No man can take you out. You have any boyfriend will visit you?
No, me not a boyfriend.
Well, you taking care of?
No, me not have no boyfriend. I'm single.
When I do anything?
A long time I don't do nothing. I'm a baby father live 9 years now. And I look for a nice husband.
Look here. I live me alone. 1 year now. No fucking sex.
A lie!
God no. You know why? You know why? Fan, he is taking over.
Yeah.
I don't want my blood to mix.
A true man. That is true. Don't make them hear you. Them fastest in this community, they are so fast.
I don't want my blood to get contangled through right now.
And you look nice, you know?
Since we here.
So you're how old?
Me? Me 70 years.
Them too much.
Lady, I strong your fork.
A lie! So tell me what you can do now?
Since we here. I buy a 28 quarters and a sharp meat.
Yeah.
And I have coconut tree. Yesterday I called a man and said, get me 1 month. And I'm going to pick someone in here, 400 and come give me. And I have a clean here. I have something there, some paper and sitting. And then I go. And then I come. Then call and say, we have to come back tomorrow. Up there. You know, I said, Miss Pete, take care, and I'm glad I meet you. I want your number though.
Yeah, want it?
Yes.
So you have to put it?
Me have a phone, but no credit not on it. I don't get, I expect to get the money up there, and I don't get the money. And it a work. It a work.
That work, man.
It a work.
Yeah.
But no credit.
So you are trimble so?
That's
not bad.
No. For me, I walk to you way. And when me get to you will see. You will see. If me not know, you will see.
A lie. So we are going to do it. Tell me we are going to do it. Tell me we are going to do it.
Not take care of it.
Come, why not me see how you do it?
Me not a pump.
No, nobody now look, man.
Me say, oh, you know what's this man?
Nobody now look.
Me not have to do that. When you come where I live, you will prove that.
Alright. Because your mouth sound pussy like a chun, you know.
And I don't weak. So when you come and we are together, where I live, if I can come where you live, no problem.
Yeah.
I will try and find right now, as I said, the bush get down where I could have find a nice piece of rent I have.
Okay.
I have a cane and get you. More like you can look for me, man.
Which part of Georgia? How far?
Where's in Georgia Square? You know one man up there, Mr. Bell? Are you go to me?
Mr. Bell.
Mr. Bell, one.
Which part is square? Where school there?
Right in no, me not go so far up. Nearer down. Me don't go so far up to high school.
You know where the lady used to work at post office live? And she have one shop in Snablet? Are they so?
Snablet?
Yeah. Old Georgia Square, are they so?
No, me pass Old Georgia. Me go by Top Georgia.
Come in over school there, you know.
Yes, me don't go so far out there. So. Me go to for school. Me tap down a square. You know where the station was?
Yes.
Well, you see, when you come right there, so, you just come across Mr. Mike Bridge.
So when me ask how me come up there?
Me name Light Coleman.
Light Coleman.
But more your number that me could call you. But me put a credit on this and call you.
Take your number.
Eh?
Take your number.
But write it. You can write it.
Me not have nothing for write it down. Remember down the road me come
Christ,
from.
God.
So we are going to do?
want we can call you.
So put in a phone, you can put in a phone?
Me don't want it on there.
What make?
Me don't want it on there.
Why?
Me want can call you and chat to you.
So you, when you put it on there, you not just dial off your phone one time you put on the credit and call me, man?
Well, take your put you. I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose. How long you say you live? 9 years? 9 years you say you live?
Yeah.
But that good.
But the phone not come on, man.
Oh, they no hand there now. You don't see light on.
But me not see nothing on the screen.
No, oh, it get leaked.
Huh?
It get leaked, it get leaked. But you see when you put on the credit, I call England, America, every fucking way in Jamaica. I Paris, right now. Oh yes. But you can't get it on.
You can't remember in the head, remember in the head, man, I tell you.
Now I go buy it.
What make? So me I go do?
Oh, you don't walk with one pen, man.
What me fi walk with pen? I don't want me go buy one food for eat.
You have the pen for yourself?
Man, in me I wash. You not no pen. Go find one pen up in your yard, Mary. You're too good. Go off your pen and come back.
Oh, yeah, me don't give back same time.
Yeah. Go for your pen, Mary. And piece of paper.
Me give back same time to turn back. Me say, Miss, we take you. And you say this?
Me more.
The Lord.
A lie.
When last year I had
Long time now, nothing, man. 9 years now. I'm not tell her that already.
To God? You serious?
Yeah.
I'm here do 1 year.
So where your wife there?
I have no wife. I have
You never married?
If I have a wife, I would look in you. If you come back in my life, because lose you. As a dead person, I'll never look in you. I would have passed like I don't know you.
Yeah.
But when me and you in my bed and when me throw my foot over you, because you're got a knife.
Yeah.
You don't believe say I'm going to love you.
No, you're gonna love me, man. I feel it.
Yeah. Sister, me will love you. Hi, young boy, I'm going to see you and I want to take you away.
No, I'm gonna.
I will tell them to move them roast cut and go for not in a minute.
Yeah. No, I'm going nowhere.
When them bring it in, you say, you see where I is?
I'm already taken.
Done with them.
Argument done.
Done.
You take care of me and me alright.
Must take care of you.
Fix me up. I'm fix you up to and we alright.
Must take
And then I got rid now.
You can see it. You can see it where the God will come.
Yeah.
But I don't business with them.
No business with them.
And when they see you, with jealousy they go on.
Yeah.
But nowhere in life. You don't business with them.
No business with them, man. The guy come with the pen.
I got. Me say I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose it. I don't want to lose the number. If I lose it, I vex, that come up and cry. Right now, you take me out me pan that.
No, man, you're not the pan this, man.
Think how you do. I'm the pan that.
Man, me can't put you on this, man.
You're
You're too... Weapon there.
Yeah, run back.
Go back for pen. You couldn't do that. You couldn't do that. You couldn't do that. You couldn't do that. Sure. Give me pen and the paper, man. Wallace.
So why you doing that?
Don't do that.
Eh?
Don't do that.
That would be very bad.
Don't do that.
Eh? That would be very bad.
Pen look like you're not even alright.
Eh? Oh. You not get the serenity upon your back.
Nah, I'm pen at work, man.
Put your number right, you know, don't make no mistake.
No, make no mistake,
I
man.
wrong number.
You mad?
If it was a wrong number, God, Jesus Christ, I would cry. We are the bed, I would have cried.
Kerisha, you here?
Before me go to bed, next call, you know.
Yeah, call me, man.
Before
Later when me bed and relax,
to
me
bed.
and talk. Yeah, sit here.
Read the number, I could hear if I can see it.
My eye don't dim.
Yeah, read it.
If
Let me
I
see if
feel
I
drop
can
and gong, I can see.
Nah, I can't put... Alright, I go come on.
So this is 9.
Yeah.
9. Yeah. Oh, I make so much crab.
No, I threw a pen in the right, good man.
So it's 91037. So this out just our
5.
no, 5.
Let me see if I can write a little bit. I 3 pen now, right, good man.
Right a little bit. Don't make no crab.
All
I
right.
don't do the crab.
All right.
I do the straight number.
See the little better now.
Okay. Well,
Sit down. Sit here. 5.
okay. But this a 9 a crab.
You know
Just know say a 9, man.
9. Me know 9.
You know 9.
Let me
man.
throw crab. Yo.
I 3 pen now, press pan. Me not know if you press pan.
Eh?
So you call me later.
I'm going to buy a credit and call you.
Okay. You have money, man.
I know, bro.
You have money. No, man, take that, man.
Buy a-
No, man,
the-
me not take you, man. Me have to go kill
You-
me, man. Me
but
can't
you-
take
you-
you.
you
Yeah,
play.
make him take you.
Buy me a drink.
Yeah, like how you pen and the number, you buy my drink. So you know, nobody nothing.
But more you buy a drink.
No, man, me alright, man. Me have money, man.
Don't tell me nothing. Buy a drink.
Me alright, man.
I'm not pretending about money.
No, me alright, man. No.
You sure?
Yeah, me good, man.
I never threw your talk.
So
Are
what?
you telling me lies?
With what? Eh?
Oh, you get money.
Me work.
What work you do?
Me work in a restaurant.
Yeah? So you get money for
Yeah,
yourself.
me get paid.
How much you say?
One
One bar.
One boy. You call him Juju.
All right, girl phone and go on. I want to speak to you. But I'm not speaking that you play.
Yeah, all right.
Excuse me. See you again.
Good.
You know, but you would have see her again to get it. So, he go.
You sound jealous though, you jealous.
I know, no, I'm not jealous, but we are love concerned.
Yeah,
That's
nobody
why they-
nothing know, yeah.
Nobody nothing getting in your private affairs. Say, take you now.
Yeah.
I'm going to call you before I go to bed.
Yeah, man, call me and talk to me, man, about anything.
I'm going to miss you. When you say me call to you. How me go sleep tonight? How me go sleep?
Nah, Jesus, I go sleep, man.
Because you're beautiful. Let them know much
A long time I have them a love life where you all a pick bush. Eh? Eh? A long time I go through them a love life where you all a pick bush. Eh?
Miss serious?
Me no, me serious.
One fly before your face. You see me a funny way.
No fly.
No one fun. Nothing.
Not even fly pitch for me. Lord, me say me heart just a flatter so.
Moses Samanat. You say, hey, darling. You say you're beautiful. Let me show me. And Jesus Christ. My heart is full. My belly is full.
Oh God! I'm full of speed. Come here, I'm falling, man.
When I have you, you stop me from hungry.
Yeah. Love full up your belly. A long time I feel them the way they're 9 years now, you know? Eh?
And then you go to
Yeah, man.
I did
Like a God said, yo.
when Jesus Christ attack. Jesus Christ. He is a good God. And he say, what we need, he will give you.
Yes, he needs his supply.
Yes, he will supply what you need. And it's a fair talk.
Alright, take care of yourself now. Me go go
Me
here
see
now.
that me didn't want to walk with you.
Me go go here now, man. Just call me.
What business you going on now?
Eh?
You going
Me
home?
go home, go cook some food for my son, can soon come from school.
So where you live?
Run panel lane on a big good lane.
Big one, yeah.
Yeah. You smell nice, see?
And what is the name again?
Kerisha, you dip on the paper.
Kerisha what?
Kerisha Bishop.
Bishop.
You know no Bishop?
No, me no Bishop. Not one. Unless
That mean me and your cousin then, cause what your name? What your name?
Not Coleman.
Cole.
Coleman.
Coleman?
It's Coleman.
Okay. Alright, take care of yourself, here. Alright. What are you?
You're so nice
Thanks.
that I don't want to step away. Lily.
Oh God. Me I go come look for your patrol, man.
Look here. We are going to be tomorrow.
Tomorrow me I go to Lindsay, go deal with some business.
I will coming back up at the clinic there tomorrow. And I want to see you.
So call me when you come, you call me.
Billy not got the vet. I'm going to come up here.
When you come, you call me.
I'm coming up there tomorrow. And I want to see you.
So when you come, hi. When you come, you call me.
Yes, sincere to God.
Okay. Alright, take care, yeah?
I miss you, darling.
You can't sing. Sing one song for me now.
Well-
You know no love song.
Well, I can sing, but
What one?
I don't retain them at this present.
If I even one verse, me just want to think pan tonight.
May the love of God be with you. That's what I'm going to leave with.
Okay.
The love of God be with you.
Alright.
Always.
Mm-hmm.
And in all your part.
You know no little love verse, roses are red, violets are blue, and then little
One
song.
night time I will give you. One night time I will call you and give you on the phone.
Okay. Alright, take care, yeah?
Mr. Me love you, know.
Mm-hmm.
Miss respect you, know.
Mm-hmm.
You sincerely believe me?
Mm-hmm.
And you tell me 9 years alone?
Mm-hmm.
Me nearly believe.
Come on, that's true. I'm not telling no lie.
So you and sex me?
Huh?
Oh, you and sex me?
Sometimes I feel sexy now, me nah go tell no lie, I feel. Hmm?
Yeah.
But like how me find you now,
You see when you get it,
mm-hmm.
you go say, Jesus Christ, I really God work this.
And a long time me I miss out.
Me are you,
Me a waste.
me are you sweet, you know?
Hmm?
Serious, and God.
Mhm.
Big you sweet.
So what your favorite position?
No?
Which style you know in here?
Eh?
Which style you know in the alright.
I don't know. I know where, I know, but me just humble as like a little child. You must humble and don't pick up and push up yourself.
Eh?
Yeah. Oh, what you say, you know?
Me a 28.
When you're still young, I'm seeing you take over that, you know?
Me a 28 man.
You say you're a young girl?
Mm-hmm.
You're a young girl?
You want somebody to keep you forever young.
Me say you're a young girl.
Mm-hmm.
You're young. I'm thinking about 30 or 32 or 32.
Me 28 man.
You're a young man. I can't even step out or I miss it.
Call me man, call me I go look about me look at
I
thing.
dinner
you know.
you carry?
No man, this is some dog food dinner.
Okay.
Meat and left.
That's something I carry for your son.
Me a go and go cooking dinner, you know. And soon come.
I miss, me said, man, you
Come like me can't move. What is
He come-
that?
he
Good as good me up, sir.
He come like me can't move night up here left.
You weak.
No, I know, me not weak.
But what?
Me not weak. Hello is so true. Hello is so true.
Murder every still.
You see,
Eh?
hello is so true.
Yeah.
That.
You know, one live me. Me know, man. Like, you feel like you're that creep me up and just run go with me and nobody knows me back. No. That's how you feel.
I
Eh?
mean, feel so. You can't that, you can't hide.
Yeah.
You're big and large.
Yeah.
But, a man, when I come,
Mm-hmm.
go in the car
Okay.
and go look me over it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, darling.
Alright.
Miss you.
Miss you too, baby.
Hurt you.
Mm-hmm.
Hurt you, I miss you.
Alright, take care, yeah.
Sincerely.
Can me have to leave now? Take care, yeah?
And see, from me have the number.
Yeah, you have
You
everything.
won't get it from me.
Yeah, man. Alright, take
One
care.
love you, yeah?
Yeah, man. Later.
You say anything good?
Yeah, man. That's how me look good, man.
You see on the picture here, map you out
Eh?
and miss you.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Take care.
Yeah, man.
Step out.
Alright. Later.
Hey, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla here. Big up and respect to each and everyone out there. See me? Now, viewers and subscribers, the video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know, it's out on social media for some time now, and for some reason, it is still being talked about, you know, and the things that are being talked about this video on social media, you know, is really and truly something that, you know, persons talked about for years, you know, you see me, years on top of years, you see me, and here's the thing now, they are talking about age differences, you see me. Yeah, so I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. Tell me what you think also. And the main thing what we really and truly want to talk about is the age differences, because, you know, a lot of things have been said about this video about the age differences, right? You know, like, for instance, some of the comments is like, oh, that man they're old enough to be our father. You see me? And then a next person will say, oh, you can't tell the girl who to be with her, who she want to be with and all them things that, you see me? And then you have a next set of persons will say, you know, a whole different type of things have been said about this, you see me? But the main thing, you know, what me I try to, you know, point out to you, my viewers and subscribers, is what you think about age difference. You see me? Yeah, the age difference thing, you see me? From me know myself, you know, from me I grew up, I always hear about the story say, old man I try to pick up young girl or I try to look young girl and them things. I always hear them story, you see me? But for some reason, you know, I just laugh. Cause I said to myself, say, yo, Jano. But really and truly though, viewers and subscribers, you know, in my point of view still, everybody have them likings, you know. You see, some of the times when I say some things, persons out there will always say, boy, Skilla, you can't say that and Ray and blah and that's one, right? But look, everybody have them likings, and you know, you might have persons that are considered to be young, which is about in them 20s, and want to be with somebody that is around 60 or all them things there. You get what I said to you? It's for them choices. Is it mean as long as they're of the age of like they're an adult, you see me? There's nothing we can really do about it. That's their choice. You see me? So therefore, I have to reach to the point where I'm going to say, yo, everybody have their own choice, or everybody have their own liking. You see me? Some person might say, the younger person, I look the older persons for their money. It don't really matters to me. Like I said, everybody have them one, you know, liking, you see me? And once a person is an adult, you see me? Once the person is an adult, then I have no problem with it. I do business with them because they're an adult. You understand? Yeah. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, bring it to you so that you can actually tell me what you think about age differences in relationships. You see what I'm saying to you? Because that is the debate about this video on social media, alright? Yeah, and I just want to left it here, viewers and subscribers, you know, social media is a place where, you know, when them see a video and that video sparks somewhat of an interest, where them laugh about it and all them things, them some conversation will really rise up on social media, you know, really high, you know. Yeah, man, it high. You see it? Alright, that's what I left it here, viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think, and my name is Dancehall. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Entertainment.